What's up, everyone? I'm going to talk about a trade I took today. Kind of want to give you my thought process behind this, how I identified this level, and why I liked it. Then I want to talk about some stuff that I didn't like about it and kind of go over that as well. But before we get started, be sure you're subscribed to my channel. Click that thumbs up button and click that bell icon so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. First off, I want to start by saying we do have a FOMC meeting on Wednesday of this week. It's going to be a big day in the market. I hope you all are inside Team Bull to trade this with us. If you're not, and you come join us, you should just come watch, see how we trade it, get a feel for it. Plenty of FOMC meetings to come in the future. Now, let's get started on this trade I took today. I took two different trades today. One was a break-even trade. I trimmed in profits, and I followed my original plan and stopped out where I said I was. Made me right at break-even. I think I had like $20 in the green or something like that. But anyways, the second trade I took today, I told everyone inside Team Bull, I said, if this was a normal market, I say that because we do have big earnings this week, FOMC meeting on Wednesday. The market does not always obey technicals when you have days like that throughout the week. But anyways, I said if this was a regular market, this 4,050 area would be a perfect entry for puts, right? So what we had here, this is the opening candle on SPX. Made a nice push up. You can see it play out here on SPY as well, pushed up to that 405 area. Then we sold off, right? I told everyone as we was moving up, I said, I'm not buying this. I'm not buying volume. Price action ain't lining up. Tesla was looking weak. I seen some different things that made me suspect we was going to see more downside. But anyway, that's what happened here. Pushed down. We broke back below this 4,052, 4,050 area, which is a key resistance / support, depending where we're at. We tend to find some either support or resistance in that area. I told everyone pre-market on my Instagram live, this was one of the key levels I was watching. Now, we broke below it. We pulled back up. I did take a position. I didn't take SPX. I took SPY puts instead, which, for those that trade with me, I do that often. I watch SPX levels and I trade SPY based off of it. Plenty of liquidity. If you prefer SPX, people do say it has its tax advantages. I've not really looked into it too much personally, but I got in here when we pulled back up, tested this area, and I caught this beautiful move down here. Paper handed a little, but put me well in the green for the day, right close to my target goal for the day. Anytime I can do that before FOMC meeting during the week, that's a good day to me. Now, I want to touch on something else too while we're talking about trades. I seen someone specifically ask me, what do you mean Tesla looks weak? Why? What are you watching on price action? What are you seeing? Now, just let me talk about this a little bit. Think of it as a little introduction to price action. And Jay done said it best when we was talking about how to learn price action. The best way is to simply watch charts. Go back, look at big moves, look at the candlesticks, what they look like. Repetition is key when learning the trade. But you can see this is Tesla 5 minute here. Opening candle, pushed up, big wick up, pushed up again, big wick up. Anytime I'm looking for weakness, I like to see wicks like this. I have learned from this experience. Anytime you have big wick pointing up like this, it's telling you that the sellers are somewhat overpowering the buyers, right? Another thing I liked here, if we look down here at volume, we never had a huge increase in buying volume. And honestly, volume slowly dies down, which is typical off the open, but it dies down kind of flat. Really wouldn't make any big moves. We couldn't come up here, break this high of day. We also, one thing I want to point out is we got below this prior day close, which is what Tesla closed at the day before. I even said inside Team Bull, I said, it looks super weak. I said, Tesla looks weak. If price action has any play in today, being that we got a big week, Tesla looks like it wants to go down. And as you can see here, that's exactly what it did. I didn't personally take a trade, but Jay Dunn did take a trade on this setup. I may do a little more in-depth video on price action. We'll see how that goes. But hope this helps you all. If you have any questions, always feel free to reach out to me, and I'll see you next time.